Hello and welcome all in this educational video. Today we will discuss on river system of India related to fisheries viewpoint, that is about the major rivers of India, their origin, then their tributaries, physicochemical parameters, which type of fish species are mainly found in that water, and the gears used to catch the fishes. So let's start by the introduction of about major river system of India. So the inland water bodies have been divided into 5 riverine systems, and their tributaries extend to a length of about 29,000 km, and it roughly covers 13,000 km area. So the 5 major river system of India having Ganga, which is a major river of the India, Brahmaputra river system, Indus river system, and East Coast river system and West Coast river system. These are the 5 river systems belonging to the major river system of India. So in that first river system, that is the Ganga river system. So Ganga, which is the largest river of the India, the length of this river is about 847 km, which comprises largest river system in the world. The origin of this river is found at the Gangotri in Himalayas at height 3,129 km above the sea level, and this river passes and covers the number of states like UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, and finally joined to Bay of Bengal. They are having some tributaries which join with this Ganga, that has one of the major tributary, that is Yamuna river, which is about having a length 1000 km. Some secondarily also having small rivers which joins finally to the Ganga, that is Ram Ganga, Gomti, Gandak, Kosal, Chambal, Betwa, Ken, etc. The annual rainfall over this area is about 25 to 77 inches. Total catchment area covers of about 9.71 lakh square kilometer. Now about physicochemical characteristics, physicochemical parameters of this water. Temperature of this area, this water is about 16.5 degrees Celsius to 31.5 degrees Celsius. pH in between 7.4 to 8.3. Turbidity is about 100 ppm to 1100 ppm. DO, diesel oxygen, is about 5 to 10.5 ppm. Carbon dioxide having 0.6 to 10 ppm. Chloride is about 4 to 35.4 ppm. Phosphates is about 0.05 to 0.21 ppm. Nitrates comprise about 0.08 to 0.22 ppm, and silicates having 4 to 20.3 ppm, and finally there are having carbonates in a range between 1 to 12 ppm. Then the common phytoplanktons which are found in this water of Ganga, that is members of Basilorophyceae, members of Chlorophyceae, members of Maxophyceae. These phytoplanktons are found in the river, that is Amphora, Sambella, Fragillaria, Chlorella, Clostridium, Spirogara, Anabaena nostoc, etc. All these phytoplanktons are found in the water of the Ganga. Some zooplanktons, some common zooplanktons like Rotaria, Keritelia, Notopus, and such also different type of zooplanktons are also found in the water of the Ganga. Then we see about the fisheries. Which type of fish species are found in the water of the Ganga river? That is having, when we see the fishery, we can found that the Ganga river system supports large number of commercially important fish species, that is major carps, minor carps, some catfish, then morels, clupids, mullets, featherbacks. Such a number of fish species are also found in this river. Besides that, there is having some prawns. When we see all this, we can found that this water is a rich source of fish eggs also, and about 90.15% of the total fish seed collection of the India comprises, that is 89.5% of the total catch of the fish eggs is only collection of the Ganga. The gears which are used to catch the fish like drag nets, cast nets and bag nets, such type of nets or the gears used to caught the fish from the Ganga river. This is about the Ganga river system. Now the second river, major river, that is the Brahmaputra river system. Brahmaputra river is the second major river, which is having a length of about 22,900 kilometers. And the origin of this Brahmaputra river is near Mansarovar in Himalaya. This Brahmaputra states covers like Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and finally joins the Ganga. Finally, this river joins the Ganga, and both then finally joins to the Bay of Bengal. Which type of tributaries are found? That is, towards the north side there is some major tributaries, and towards south side some of the major rivers are joined to the Brahmaputra. That is, towards the north side there is having these are the local names like Bargang, then Jai Bharti, like that. And towards south there is also having some tributaries like Kalong, Digru, Kulsi, Krishna, like that. Then the total catchment area covers about 2 lakh square kilometer. Annual rainfall towards this area is about 40 to 83 inches. And when we see the physico-chemical characteristics, physico-chemical parameters, we can found that there is having total alkalinity of about 50 to 240. Then pH is in between the range of 6.95 to 8. This is oxygen 3.6 to 10.4 ppm. Carbon dioxide having a range between 0.6 to 10 ppm. Chloride comprises 4 to 35.4 ppm. Phosphate is in between 0.05 to 0.32 ppm. Nitrates in between 0.01 to 0.07 ppm. These are the measurement of the physico-chemical characteristics of the water of the Brahmaputra. Then which type of phytoplanktons are found in this area? That is like Spirogyra, Euthrix, Zygnema, etc. And some zooplanktons like Brachionus, Cyclops, Daphne, Nautilus. These are some major zooplanktons are found in the Brahmaputra river. Which type of fish species are found? Basically, fisheries comprise 126 fish families are reported in the water of Brahmaputra. And some major fish species found in this area, that is Valagot2, Labiorhita, minor carps, Hilsa, Tortor, Chana, species Heteropneus, Notopterus, Mistus, Singala, Cutla, Sirena mrigala, some prawns, catfish, Labioculbosu. These are some major fish species are found in the water of the Brahmaputra. Which type of gears are used? Like gill net, drag net, bag net, cast net, traps and long lines. These type of gears, these type of nets are used to catch the fish. And about the third major river, that is Indus River system. This system represented by small portion of India. The important rivers are Beej, Satluj, Chenab, Ravi, Jhelum and Indus. Which states covers Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana? These are the states which covers by the Indus River system. And the fisheries, the major fishes which are found in this area, that is Katla, Rohu, catfish like Valagattu, some exotic rainbow and brown trouts. These are the fish which are found majorly in this Indus River system. It is one of the growing fish sector of the India. Then next, about East Coast River System. This East Coast River System constituted by four principal rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, which drains the entire peninsular regions east of Western Ghat in the west and southern parts of central India including Chota Nagpur regions. In that, one of the major river Mahanadi, which is the principal river of the Orissa, and this river support a rich fishery as in Ganga river system. In the East Coast River system, one of the major river, that is the Godavari river, and this Godavari river system having some of the points like Godavari originates at the Dolali hills near Nashik in northwestern Ghat. The length of the Godavari is about 1465 km, and this river passes from Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Some major physicochemical parameters like temperature is about 27.5 to 36.4 degrees Celsius of this area. pH is between 7.2 to 8.3. DO is 1.26 to 18.2 mg per liter. Free carbon dioxide having 0 to 6.6 ppm. Bicarbonates in between 45.8 to 192.2 ppm. And finally, this river Godavari meet at the Bay of Bengal, and the total catchment area is about 3,15,980 square kilometer. Then, which are the tributaries of the Godavari like Manjara, Wainganga, Painganga, Vadha Purana, Sabri. These are the major tributaries of this Godavari. Which type of fish species are found basically? Labioculbosu, Labiofambriates, Sirena mrigala, Katla, then Mr. Singala, Mr. Orr, Valagattu, Pangasius, and some type of prawns are found majorly in the Godavari river. Then the gears which are used to catch this fish, that is gill nets, drag nets, seines, drag nets, cast nets. This type of nets are used to catch the fish from this area. This is about the Godavari river system. Second, river belonging to the east coast water system, that is the Krishna river system, and the name of the river is the Krishna, which is originate in the Western Ghat, which is south of the Pune, which is having a length of about 1400 kilometer, and this rivers covers the states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. When we see the physicochemical parameters, which are somewhat similar to the Godavari river system, the drainage is east coast and catchment area having about 2,33,229 square kilometer. Tributaries like Bhima, Tungabhadra, these are tributaries of the Krishna, and the fishery is also same type of fish species are found in this water, like labio, then katla, hilsa ilisha, prawns, like that, and gears are also same used in this river, that is gill net, drag net, and cast net, etc. Then about the third river belonging to the east coast water system, that is Kaveri river system, or the name of the river is the Kaveri, originates in the Bhimgiri hills on Western Ghat. Length is about 800 km, and this states covers Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. From that states, this river is passes. Temperature is about 26 to 30.9 degrees Celsius, pH 7.6 to 8.5, DO is between 1.47 to 5.3 mg per liter, pre-carbon dioxide is in between 0 to 0.4 ppm, bicarbonate is about 23.18 to 366 ppm, and finally meet to the Bay of Bengal. Catchment area is about 4,70,000 square kilometer. Tributaries like Bhavani, Noel, Amarwati, etc. And the fishes which are found in this species which are found in this Kaveri river, that is tor, Putitora, barbus, Caraniticus barbus, dubious, labio, conitus, labio, ariza, Sirena cirrhosa, Katla, Mr. Singala, Mr. Or, Valagatu, Pangasis, Silonia, and some other like Labio rohita, Notopterus, Cyprina carpios, Chana. These are the some species which are found in this river. Which type of gears are used? Gill nets, drag nets, sins, drag nets. Once again, cast net. These are the major gears are used in to catch the fishes from this area, from the Kaveri river. Then about the west coast river system. The west coast comprises the river Narmada and Tapi. Both flow in westerly direction of the country and drain the narrow belt of peninsular India west of the Western Ghats. They flow in the direction of the west. In that, two major rivers, one is the Narmada and second one Tapi. In that, first is the Narmada river system, which is originated in Amarkantak Hills of Madhya Pradesh. Length of this river is about 1280 km. States which covers by this river is Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Rainfall is about 15 to 115 inches. Drainage, Gulf of Cambay in the Gujarat. Finally, this river meet to the sea in that particular area of the Gulf of Cambay in Gujarat. Catchment area is about, total catchment area is about 94,235 square kilometer, of which Narmada and 6,330 square kilometer of its tributaries. and some 16 tributaries of this Narmada in the Madhya Pradesh and 2 in the Gujarat. The west coast comprises of the river Narmada. In that, which type of fishes are found? Tortor, Labio phambrates, Labio culbosu, Labio bata, Sirena reba, Sirena brigals, Punit's species, Sirena sirosa, Katla, Mr. Singala, Mr. Or, Varigot Chana species, Notopteros, Labio roita, and Cyprinus carpio. Such type of fish species are found in the Narmada river. And which type of gears are used? Gillnets, long line, and cast net type of gears are used in the Narmada river. Then about the second major river in the west coast river system, the Tapi river system, which is having a length about 720 km and originates in the Mount Vindhya of the Satpura range. This covers states like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Rainfall is about 15 to 115 inches and drainage to the Arabian Sea in the Gujarat. Catchment area is about mainly rain-fed. Catchment areas depend upon the rain-fed. Tributaries are 16 in the Madhya Pradesh and 2 in the Gujarat. And fisheries, which type of fishes are found in this particular Tapi river? That is tortor, Labio phambrates, Labio calbosus, same as that of the another river, that is Labio bata, Sirena reba, Sirena brigala, Punit's Sarana, Sirena sirosa. Then Katla, Mr. Singala, Mr. Saur, Valogatu, Chana species, Notopteros, Labio roita, Cyprinus carpios, this type of, and other some type of species are found in this Tapi river system. And the gears which are used or net which are used, that is gill nets, long line, cast nets, mahajal type of nets or the gears are used to catch the fish from this river. This is all about the Indian river system. Thank you for watching this video.